Okay. So first of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
I'm pretty good.
Okay, nice to hear that. So would you like to introduce yourself because we are meeting for the first time?
Yeah. Shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jitendra Pandey, and I'm from Mumbai and live
Okay.
currently live in Mumbai, Palghar area. And I have done graduation from Mumbai University. And if we talk about my family members, so I have seven member in my family. There is me, my brother,
Okay.
my wife, my mom, and my brother wife, and I have two kids. And basically, I'm an auto driver. Thank
Okay.
you.
So can I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So my name is Ruby. I am connecting with you from Ghaziabad. It's a city of Uttar Pradesh. And speaking about my qualification, I have done post graduation in political science, and in addition, I have a bachelor of education as well. And comes to my pride and joy moments, so nowadays I love read book because these days I'm working on improving my communication skill. So that's why. And apart from that, I have a YouTube channel where I upload some videos regarding spoken English, so I can improve. Yeah. So that's all about me.
That's a great. So,
Yeah.
you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's a great. So, are you
Yeah.
teaching there or only conversation uploading?
These days, I talk to so many of co-learner and upload my videos. I mean, conversational videos on my channel.
Okay, okay. That's a great.
Yeah, yeah. And I want to ask you, what motivates to improve your spoken English? Yeah. What is the main reason?
Yeah, actually, there is a no reason and no reason, any reason behind for learning English. But yeah, I want to improve my communication for my skill development and my personal development and for myself only.
Okay, you want to work on your personality, so that's why you want to learn this language.
Yes, yes, yes.
When did you start learning this
Yeah,
language?
yeah, 2.5 years before I start, not 2.5 year months, I started my journey, learning journey.
Just few
Two and a
few
half,
months back.
yeah, two and a half
Okay.
months, yes.
Okay. So have you talked to any other caller till now?
Yeah, before I talk with Manju ma'am, Priyanka Gupta, and
Okay.
so many co-learners. I talked with them, but I forget randomly name.
But no worries. So how was your experience with co-learners?
Yeah, if you talk about my experience, so there is a great experience to talk with them, and yeah, when I talk with them, so that time I built up my confidence. So many things there is happening with me.
Okay. I mean, you learn a lot during conversation.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you told me recently have you started learning this language? So which type of method nowadays you applying for learning purpose? You are following
Time I'm watching video, listening some broadcast, and like your videos, conversation video. Sometime reading book and reading book, story book, and I'm not saying listening music because music is not useful me for me. But yeah, but before two 1 week ago, I started learning listening music, but that not used for me
it doesn't
because
work.
it's yeah, it doesn't work. It is very difficult for understand what they sing the
It
song.
didn't work. Okay.
Yeah, yes. So
Okay. So
this
nowadays you are following just a listening path. Yeah, speaking is really crucial. There is no other substitute. If you want to learn this language, so speaking is really important. At least try to talk with 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes with co-learner. So you can easily improve.
Yeah,
You can build your confidence as well.
yeah. This
Yeah.
is right.
So I want to ask you, which type of content are you consuming on YouTube?
Like a
Like
broadcast,
stories,
you,
conversational videos,
yeah,
podcast.
broadcast.
Okay. Can you tell me some video? Can you tell me any some videos nowadays you are watching, like podcast? Can you tell me?
Like Ilavadi, you know, Ilavadi, his name,
Yeah,
I
yes.
forget,
Ranveer
Ilavadi.
Labadi.
Yes, Ranveer Ilavadi. And he's very nice
Okay.
person. Yes.
Yes, yes. He's
This
superb.
time I'm watching this video, his video
Okay.
first.
So during watching video, you can easily understand the whole thing, the
Yes.
whole structure.
Actually, yeah, actually, I can understand whole thing of English where when I'm watching, but
Okay.
I didn't speak properly.
You can't. Okay. You have problem with the speaking part.
Yes. But yeah, right now, actually, well, I have a question I'm asking to after some time. But yeah, you carry on.
Yeah, you have any questions, so you can ask me. Yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
you can ask me.
I
Okay.
yeah. Actually, I don't know. You are right now. You learn so many things from to speaking English. I think you are also learner, maybe.
Yes, yes. Recently, not recently, I have been learning this language last 4 to 5 months. And before that, I was really bad in this language. Yes,
But
recently.
look,
And
right
I'm
now
also
you
a
look.
co-learner.
Yes, right now look, you are looking very. You're speaking very well, and you have a lots of
Okay,
confidence, built up a confidence.
thank you so much. Yes,
Yes.
and it is not
So
a piece of cake for me, facing camera, talking with a stranger, because I used to afraid talking with a stranger. But nowadays, I am trying my level best because this language is a need for me. In future, I will try for teaching job. And if I
exactly.
have no idea about this language, so how can I teach? Yeah, it's very hard for me. So I
Yes.
thought that first of all, I should improve my spoken English and I should work on this language. Then I will try in future.
But
Yeah.
when I see you, you look like a teacher. You're speaking like a teacher because your body language is showing the teachers when you're speaking. So you're behaving like a teacher. That's why thinking you want to become a teacher. Am I right?
Yeah, I want to become. Yes, I want to
Yeah.
become a teacher. Even I have already experienced last year, but I quit my job. Some other reason, and English is one of them.
Okay. So have you
Yeah,
done
I
your
have experienced.
graduation?
I have done my post graduation and B.Ed as well.
Post graduation, BA. That's a great. That's great. That's why
Yeah. Yeah.
your learning journey. Why you started so late?
Yeah, I thought. See, when I pursued post graduation, so I thought that I should try for profession. So 1 or 2 year, I prepare for net, but I indulged myself in B.Ed. So 2 year, and my parents said to me, "Beta, you have tried for government job." My parents emphasized me, "Beta, you should try." So I thought that yeah, I should try or not because nowadays I don't know about other person, but sometimes I am confused. Yeah, this part is really good for me. This is really beneficial for me. I don't know about other people, but I was confused. Even these days I'm also, but I thought that first of all I should learn this language. Then in future I will try for private teaching job, not government. I have
That's
already
a great.
clear stated I told you, and nowadays I'm also preparing for net as well. But these days my main priority first of all this language, this beautiful language.
Okay, that's a great. That's a great. So
Yeah.
I have a question for you. Before 2 days, I had a lots of confidence. I had so many conversation I have done, but after 2 days, I've lose my all confidence to speaking English, learning English. Why I don't know, because before 2 days I speak very well. You can go on YouTube and see my YouTube videos, and there is a I speak very well and fluently. But after before 2 days, I don't know what happened with me. I'm speaking very nervous. full. I feel like I'm very nervous. Why? I don't know what happened with me.
Yeah, sometimes also happens with me because it's a human tendency. Maybe fear of speaking and hesitation. Sometimes I also get stuck. And I said, how can I speak with person? How can I speak in a well manner? So it's a human tendency, and it happens with everyone, not for you, not with me. Every people they are facing same problem. Even
But
till when I started my journey until now, I talked to so many of people, maybe 50 to 55 people till now. And maybe 30%, 50% people, they have shared this kind of problem. They're facing some problem. Sometimes they get stuck, they are facing hesitation. So yeah, it is okay. It is normal. It is not a big deal.
so how come back to our confidence?
How to overcome?
Yeah,
Yeah, first of all, you should try to maybe self motivation. I can do this. I can really do
actually,
it.
I'm
It is
trying.
my
I'm
job
trying, but
because
I
I
didn't try. Yeah, I didn't convince my own self minded. I don't know what happened with me. I thought
sometimes
I
it
think
also happens
right
with
now
me.
right now I'm thinking no, it's not I cannot do this because it is not for me. Just quit it. It is going on my mind, but what I do right now I don't know.
You should try to self motivate yourself. This question, same question I asked with my tutor. Same question. So she said to me, "Don't do this. This is a normal problem. It's a normal. So you should try to self motivate yourself and don't compare yourself with other people." Yeah, these days, even 4 to 5 months ago, I thought that that person is speak really well. How can I speak like that? So we should not compare ourselves with others because that
Yes,
person just showing
yes,
just 10 to 15 minute videos, and we have no idea the behind the story. This
yes,
kind
yes,
of
yes,
problem they had faced. He was not showing like that, but we are watching this 5 to 10 minute videos and we are judging. He speak really well, and we have no idea about their journey. This kind of problem they had faced 2 to 3 years. You know about Dihati madam?
yes. I know. Actually,
Nowadays
I'm
she speak.
inspired by. Yeah, I'm inspired by
Same
that
I
lady.
also. She is a groundbreaking example. Nothing is impossible.
Yeah,
She's
yes,
coming from village, and she speak really well. Yeah, she inspired me a lot.
yes,
This
yes. Actually,
Dihati ma'am and Rajni ma'am also. Rajni ma'am, she is one of my favorite.
yeah, Rasmi
Yeah,
ma'am also. Rajni ma'am, Rasmi ma'am, and uh, so many things. So many people are there in YouTube. So I'm inspired by them. But yeah, it's happened with you also.
yeah, it's normal. It's more normal. Don't worry about it. You should try
Yeah,
to self talk. Maybe it will help.
yeah,
Self
it
talk.
is. Yeah, it is help. But my confidence, all my confidence, I don't know how to lose my confidence because before 2 days, who's called me? Speaking randomly, directly. No, I'm that time I didn't think anything. But right now, last I was called one lady. Then I lose my confidence. What happened with me? I don't know. But yeah, right now I built up my confidence right now again to talking with you.
Yeah, when you talk with any people and try to speak whatever in your mind, don't think a lot.
Yes,
It will never
yes,
work. Before talking with you, I connected with a person. She was from Jammu, and he speak really well. And I get stuck. How can I speak with that person? He's really super. He speak really well, fluent.
yes.
And I
Jammu and
thought that how
Kashmir.
can I speak?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, maybe yes, Pal. Yeah. Have you talked with that person?
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, he speak really well, and he want to become a philosopher. And I thought that you want to become a philosopher. Why you want to become a philosopher? Because it's a new thing. Nowadays, some people they want to become a doctor, teacher, engineer, but you want to become a philosopher. It's a different thing.
yes, yes, yes. So did you
Yeah,
join
I was
any?
so surprised.
Yeah,
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
did you join any classes or coaching classes for learning English?
Yes, these days I'm taking classes for improving purpose. I have been taking classes last 2 to 3 months, approx 4 months. You know about English, Yari?
Offline or online?
online. You have heard
Okay.
about English Yari?
No. So
Okay, so I'm taking classes. Yes.
how long have you been using that classes? Joined this class?
The, okay, I told you na I am taking classes last 4 months, 4 to 5 months.
So when you
Yeah.
started, then you suddenly you took the admission in
Yes, yes.
classes. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
That's a great. That's a
Even
great.
these days, English Yari is really famous. Lot of people they want to join English Yari
Actually,
for
I want
communication,
to.
for improving.
Actually, I want to also join this class, but I don't know which class is very good because all people are charging very higher.
If you can use that platform 20 to 30 minutes free every day.
Yeah, that's a great.
Few days back,
That's
yeah, few days back, I talked with a person and he said to me, please, can you give me some idea? How can I learn this language? So that person said to me, this platform is Silency. And I use this platform and I really like it. Of
okay.
course, it's a pocket friendly as
That's
well,
a
so you
great.
can first of all explore that feature.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
So when you're going to take become a teacher after 1 year or 6 months, after 6 months, when
I
you will
don't know,
become a
but
teacher?
yeah, in future, it totally depend on in God's hand. I will try my level best.
I might
Yeah.
be
And now,
around 6 months before after 6 months.
yeah, maybe,
Yeah,
maybe,
because
maybe.
I look your confidence. You built up so many things. That's why.
I don't know about you. Have you watched my videos or not? But 4 to 5 months,
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I saw.
first of all, I don't know, but I want to learn this language because if we are just procrastinating ourselves, we can learn this thing tomorrow. So it will never work. We should take
Yeah,
action, and if we will take action, so it will work. Otherwise, it doesn't matter.
definitely, definitely.
So don't think a lot and try to take action.
That's a great. I'm so happy to talk with you, and I get some.
I'm so happy. Yes. Sorry for interrupting you whenever I talk with scholar and a stranger, a teacher. So I feel like I'm over the moon. Yes. I'm
yeah,
content. Yeah.
that's a great. That's a great.